Got the trailer swept out. So the steel arrived. Took them about a day to cut. Went and picked it up. It was totally coated in gross film of, I don't know what it was, some kind of lube that I'm guessing they used to cut it with. The ends are pretty clean. So we washed them all, and now they're drying, so we can start getting ready to drill some holes. After looking at the steel that they cut, there's definitely, there's some burrs and whatnot, which you can file down, but they did a good job on these. These don't have any burrs or anything on them. Oh, it even comes with end caps. I started measuring out and lettering them so I can try and figure out how to put this thing together without doing it wrong. Look at that, a hole.
Are you supervising?
Well, we got one side done. Well, not done. One side kind of built. I don't know, I think they look pretty good. Although I discovered I shouldn't screw them down all the way, bolt them down all the way until we get it all plumbed up. I also discovered if you do a pilot hole using the small one, that way you can get it started right in the right spot, because trying to start it with the bigger one kind of failed. Okay, this was the hardest part so far. We got these outside ones built, but then we had to put these, this is where the tent's gonna sit. But we had to square it up, and that was quite the process. Quite a few cuss words. So I measured it all. We got numbers, so we can.
Look at this one.
That one's all screwed up. So I don't know.
Well, the spots will be fine.
In theory, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. G-Dog, what do you think? Yeah, good stuff. All right, I think we got the base frame actually done and built. The top rack up. So I just washed it, and we're gonna let it dry. Probably have to let it dry overnight, and then we'll paint it tomorrow. It's rustic orange. It's in satin. Hopefully it'll be kind of matte. So we'll see about that. That'll look pretty sick. I don't know, turned out pretty good. These are a bit of a pain in the ass to use, but they're pretty much all the option is if you don't know how to weld. It is finally nice enough to paint the rack. We have one more post right here that we can put in once it's in the trailer. Here goes the first coat. Color looks good though.
Yeah, I like it.
Hopefully those will cover up. Oh, this is bad right here.
That's you.
How's that me? I wasn't working over here.
Yeah, but you came and started messing around over here. That's you. You.
Well, one coat looks pretty good. I like the color. Second coat done. That second leg over there is totally crooked. I might have to take that one apart and re-drill it. I don't know how I screwed that one up so bad. So far we've gone through 2 cans. Looks like the third one might do it. So inside the box of accessories was this handle, and it came with this little bag of screws and goodies. There was nothing in the instructions regarding how to put the handle on, but there's 2 holes here. So I guess we'll have to open it up a little ways. I don't think this handle was on the original. Even in the pictures, none of them have handles on them, so we'll wing it. So it looks like the other side of this is on the inside of the tent, so we're gonna open it up to see. There's a velcroed in strip here, and then here are the holes. So it's actually all the way on the inside. I wish I would have known that because I had left this out in the rain, although I'm not sure a lot of water got in there, but I guess that's good to know. Well, we've got a couple coats on it now. Probably shouldn't touch it, it's wet. We loosened that up and we adjusted that one, although we might have to adjust it once it's inside the trailer. I think it looks good.
Don't touch it, honey.
It did come with end caps, which I'll have to put on. Well, at least the words are covered up. It looks good. Chewy, do you approve? Yeah, I can tell from your heavy breathing that you must approve. He's an old boy, but he's a good boy. So Chewy's too old. He can only go like a quarter mile when we go on hikes and walks and stuff. So when we go camping. So we built this for him. Well, him and his brother, but his brother passed. But he still gets to ride in it. Supports supposedly, theoretically, up to 100 pounds. Chewy weighs right about 100 pounds now. But it's a kit you buy. It's a Canadian kit. It basically comes with these brackets and the wheel kit. And the wheels just pop off here. You push that, they pop off. And then you buy the bars however long you want your trailer for. It came out flat, and turns out we needed some risers because his legs and tail were going into the wheel. So I designed and 3D printed these brackets, and then we put this side rail on. And it folds up pretty nice. And that bit folds off there, and it slides right in the back of the truck. There's that bike I tow him with. And there he is. He thinks he gets to go for a ride. So to keep the mattress from getting wet with condensation, we're putting down the reflectix. And that will keep the temperature from up here, where it'll be warm, and in the bottom, which will be cold, from creating the condensation. Hopefully, that's what this is for. We're gonna do one here, this length, and then we're gonna do another one that length, and then if we need to, we'll trim it up. There's the two pieces. We duct taped them together. This one's overlapping quite a bit. If we need to end up cutting a seam, we can, but we figured we'd try to not cut a seam. We tried to cut around to leave space for the hinges. There. Perfect. Goes all the way up to the corner. I guess time will tell if it works. So we did manage to get out for an 8-mile trail run today. It was totally amazing. This week we're gonna see if we can get the new rack mounted in the trailer.